A few weeks ago, I talked to you about the 2020 proposed IPPS rule and the changes that were anticipated. Well, guess what? The final rule has dropped and things have changed. I'm Clarice Warner, the girl with the pearls, the founder and education director of the Professional Reimbursement Network, LLC, where coding education is key. And on this channel, we provide you with information, tips, and strategies on how to become a certified marketable medical coder. The CMS Inpatient Prospective Payment System, or IPPS, fiscal year 2020 final rule came out August 2nd. This will impact over 3,000 acute care hospitals and almost 400 long-term care hospitals. The rules are effective October 1st, 2019. The big deal in our discussion revolved around almost 1,500 complication or comorbidity or CCs and the major complications and or comorbidities or MCC designation changes. There were some heavy hitters in all specialties that could potentially wreak havoc on organizations' bottom line. Well, the power of the pen, or I guess in this day and age, the power of the keyboard prevailed. CMS received numerous comments regarding the CC and MCC designation changes, and as a result, the changes were delayed and not part of the final rule. There were some minor changes that I will discuss shortly that did occur. Keep in mind, this is just a delay, and this will give CMS time to review any proposed changes in the coming years. So what changed, you may ask? There were 18 codes that are part of the Z16 category, which covers resistance to various drugs. They were changed from non-CC to CCs. Also, the Social Determinants of Health Code for Homelessness, Z59.0, remains as a non-CC designation. The overall relative values for 2020 increased from the 2019 relative values. If you want more information on the final rule, you can check out the link to the entire document in the description box below. Have you been hearing about social determinants of health? Me too. Well, what are your thoughts on them? Send me an email at info@ohioprn.com or place a comment in the comments box below. I would love to know your thoughts. I'm Clarice Warner, the girl with the pearls, the founder and education director of the Professional Reimbursement Network, LLC, where coding education is key, providing you with information, tips, and strategies on how to become a certified marketable medical coder. If you're interested in more information on these tips and medical coding and how to become a certified marketable medical coder, well then check out these videos. And also check this out.
Are you interested in medical coding, but not sure where to start and scared of wasting time and resources? Let me help you with the right steps to become a certified marketable medical coder. Learn more at bit.ly/5stepscoder.
Feel free to subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click the bell for notifications when we upload new content. I love hearing from you, so let me know you were here by providing a comment in our comments sections. Let's stay connected. So remember, be safe, be kind, and don't wish for it, work for it. Until next time, take care and thanks for watching.